Cube notation helps you understand how to turn the cube. R means the right side, L means the left, F means the front, B means the back, E means up, and D means down. R moves like this, L moves like this. You can see that R and L moves are opposite from each other. F moves like this, B moves like this, which are also opposite from each other. U moves like this, D moves like this. This is also opposite from each other. Sometimes there is a apostrophe in the notation which is called a prime. For example, R prime is opposite of R, which is like this. R prime is this, R is this. This is same for all notation. Sometimes there is a number 2 in notation, which means do the move twice, like this. You can do it in any way. For example, R2 means move right twice, just like this. Next, there is a W or lowercase letter in notation. It means to move 2 layers. For example, RY is like this, and RY prime is like this. There is a special moves in 3x3, which are M, E, and S. M moves are like this. Then there are E moves, which are like this. E, E prime, E2. Then there's S moves, which are like this. S, S prime, S2. Finally, there are cube rotations. X moves like R moves like this, so X moves like, so it goes like this. This is up, because this moves like this, so it's up. Then there's X prime, which moves like this, because yellow moves down. Then there's Y move, which moves like U. U moves like this, and Y is gonna move like that. And there's U prime, which is like this, and Y prime is like this. Then there's Z moves, which are like F. F moves like this, and Z will move like this.